Okay, so now you guys are going to...
Get the other chest, the mossy chest. Once he's up here,
Okay.
we'll grab it and then we'll head to the picnic table. We'll head back to the base and then to the picnic table. Once you got oxygen, we can head back towards the T-Rex.
Do I need to equip the key or anything, or you just get up to it?
No,
Eventually.
it would just said that every one of us now has a key, so any one of us can open it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, luckily for that, they made it a joint inventory for stuff like that, key items.
That's smart.
Yeah.
Those aphids look like they have things to do and people to see.
Where am I at? Probably...
Ooh! Look what I
Half
found!
stamina. Nice! Mega Molar.
And then there's the chip right here.
Nice.
Nice.
Alright.
And now we can head back.
Is there anything
And-
in the T-Rex's mouth?
I've already grabbed it. There was a spear.
Ah, nice.
The first time we came down, I grabbed that. I believe. But yeah, have you noticed? Have you already depleted one of your torches?
Oh yeah, I did. I'm just holding
Like-
a stupid, useless torch.
Ah, I hate getting up on this branch. I don't know why I fight to do it. It's nighttime.
Yes, it is.
Let's go kill a wolf spider. No, that's not. Let's not run into the wolf spiders that roam around this area.
It's a good plan. Solid.
Solid. Not completely actionable.
I mean, this is probably what bottled water is.
Because who knows where they're at.
I know pretty much where every single one's located, but that's a general location.
Right, and as long as they haven't wandered, like the one that always wandered by our base for some odd reason. Hey, how's it going?
Hey!
Who, me?
Oh, yeah, I need to change
Nope,
my
not
status. So I can run again.
You guys. Oh, you guys are all the way over there.
Yeah, hydration is the key to performance, guys. Don't
Right.
Get it.
Way better. I can run freely again. I wouldn't... Are you at the base, Rated?
I'm gone.
Yes. So, Crazy, I wouldn't run towards Rated unless... Yeah, you actually are already close. You're already there. Okay, so we need to grab... some... silk. As a matter of fact, no, wrong buttons.
This direction. Go this direction. Don't go that direction. Go this direction.
What are you thinking we need to grab?
So we
You
need
guys
to grab
silk.
clay, silk clay, and then we'll grab weed stems when we're there.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna build this one. This was just to get an idea what we needed to get. We need four clay, and then
6 stems.
6 stems. But we'll need to grab more than a silk rope because we'll need to use that to create the zip line as well. So just grab a couple things of silk rope.
You're probably gonna need 15 or 20.
I would say around 30, 32.
I just took 5 silk ropes. How many do we need? 32?
I would guess. Oop.
Oh my gosh.
Because from the picnic table to the sandbox was 12, I think. So it probably wouldn't be more than 20, but I would be on the safe side.
Well, if you guys are going to be on the complete opposite side, it's not going to be as far, or it's not going to be as far as you think.
Yeah,
So-
I'm trying to look. Yeah, the sandbox is slightly further away than I think that is, so it might be less. But who knows?
I think if anything, the sandbox is a little bit taller, and that's what I would say would be the only thing that helps it out. But I don't know.
Yeah, it's hard to tell,
And
especially at night.
I also did not put it where the last one was, just for the fact that I don't want the light to be a problem. So
yeah,
I put it off. I put it off a little bit. But also, the thing is, I can't put it up where it normally would be right now. Anyway.
But I am going to take my torches. All 3 torches I made are already gone. I was gonna take a quick break, and I'll be right back. I need to use the restroom.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Am I screwed? No, okay. Oh, those fucking. Oh no.
Where are you at? Are you in the sandbox or where are you?
No, I am on the second level of the backyard. And where I'm standing and staring towards is an area that has 2 wolf spiders. And both of them are awake and walking around, of course. But also, it's the area where we're going to be going to get the Coltana and stuff like that.
Okay.
It's the stuff that we needed so that we could kind of progress more into the story.
We have 23 silk ropes in this thing. I don't know how many I need, but
So, 23 altogether, or more than that?
we have 23 altogether. And I have a few more.
Is there
spinning
any
on
in
the
the...
wheel.
There are some spinning on the wheel?
Yeah.
Okay.
But not
There's
enough.
none that are
we
already-
probably need more, to be honest with you. Where do we find those spiders that we get the silk from?
Well, how many do you have on the wheels?
5, and 5, so 15.
Oh, then you'll have more than plenty, because that'll put you over 30
Okay.
easy. Because 10, that's 20, 33, and then another 5 on top of that, you're almost at 40.
Definitely
Oh,
plenty what we need. Okay.
Wolf spiders, stay away from this area. I know you can jump. I don't know if you can jump all the way up here, but I know you can jump.
Oh, for some reason I was thinking the zip line took 23 to build. That 23 is the amount we have. I was like,
Yeah,
that's a
no,
lot.
yeah.
all right.
You need 1 to build the thing to get you from point A to point B. Yeah. And then the actual rope itself, you won't know until you actually build the thing on top of it. Which actually, I could give us actually a little bit of an idea, I think.
What about weed stems? Where would I get them at?
So you know the dandelions?
Yeah,
That's what you would be,
cut them down and get the stem.
yeah.
Okay.
That you'll get about 4 to 6 out of any dandelions that you cut down. So you just need to cut down 1. And actually, if you wanted to, you could cut those down and take them to the picnic table while we're waiting for him to come back, and set it up on and get it all set up there how you want, where you want to put it, and just take clay with you too, so that you can just get it all built up, and then figure out how much rope we need just by that, and then we can just wait for him to come back and put the rest of the rope in. I'm trying to think about what I can do in the meantime. I can't really do anything with the fucking spiders out right now.
Need more weed stems. I knocked one over, but I lost half the stems, and it's freaking nighttime, so I can't see a damn thing.
You grab a slime mold, you'll be able to see.
And Jill Sim keeps stealing dirty dishes. It's just falling apart in the Kitsky house.
Shit's falling apart, man!
It's falling apart.
These animatronics can't do shit!
Alright, so what are you guys up to?
He's chopping down to get some wood stems right now.
Yeah, we should probably do that over there instead of having to carry him all the way.
I mean, it doesn't really matter. I did that.
Well, grab your silk and clay, and then we'll head over.
Oh, crap.
Because right now I'm kind of waiting on you guys because there's nothing that I can do by myself over here.
Yeah.
There's kind of a couple of big old spideys that want to take a chomp out of my ass when they see me, so...
Yeah, while I'm here, I'm gonna switch into my fire gear.
Oh, I can only carry 5 of these anyway, and we need 6 of them? That's messed up.
Yeah,
Yeah, you need 6, but...
there's 2 of
If
us.
there's 2 of you, you'll be fine, yeah.
Yeah.
And honestly, if you wanted to, you could take your you could take your red ant gear and take up to 8, because it gives you like lifting abilities, like so extra slots for each thing you lift. So instead of it just being 5, you can have another red
Oh, nice.
ant guard or helmet or whatever on, and you can gain an extra one.
You can't hurt
But-
me with my ant helmet.
Right.
Yeah, I just threw it on. Nice. Except for now I gotta find the stem that I knocked down.
Alright. Well, I have the clay and silk. I'm gonna head over there, and I'm gonna chop one down while I'm... Ow, dang it. While I'm...
Follow
Yeah,
you.
just grab what you can get.
I need to grab some
what
water
you can
first.
get, Chris.
What about me?
Go ahead and grab what you can for your stems, and then you guys can just grab some on the way there,
Yep.
just
I
like
did.
he's talking.
Drinking water.
I should have made
You have food and water good?
before coming.
Before we head out?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just hear, oh man, that's a lot of gnats.
Yeah.
That's just a shit ton of gnats.
Can't pull out your tuff, so be a little careful when dropping down with a bunch of stuff. Well, you can, but you'll drop everything.
Yeah, you'll drop all your wood stems.
If you find one to chop it down too, I did put on the ant helmet so I can carry all 6 that we need.
You do have your antlion gear on you, right?
Yep, I'm wearing it. Or I'm wearing my helmet right now anyway.
I'm out of stamina.
I know, I was
Yeah.
that's why I was like kind of waiting.
Doo-doo-doo.
I'm doing reconnaissance work on the pattern of the spiders.
So there's the shovel that you need to go up. I will grab this weed stem right here.
I got all 6 now.
I hear you, Wolf Spider. You can just stay down there on the ground.
I just heard it too. I'm out of here.
Like, for whatever reason, they gave him, like, the weirdest fucking noise. They're like,
Well, it
like
does sound
Jesus
like a wolf.
Christ.
It doesn't sound like a spider. It
To-
sounds like a wolf. Oh no.
You fell in the
to me,
crack.
it's...
Hey, I found one of your used
Hey.
arrows though. Actually, I found.
Yeah. Yeah, I missed a bunch, so there's gonna be some lying all over the place over here.
Yeah. Alright, where the hell am I? I'm way on the wrong side now, ain't I?
Yeah, you're actually coming towards me, which
Oh.
is probably not the best.
Yeah, you need to come back to the shovel and come up.
Yeah, and you can find that on your map. You go to your map and you can make a point to it so you can go straight to your point.
And this stupid bee attacked me, so I dropped all my stems.
there we go.
Good news, the sun's almost up.
Good news, everyone!
We have an hour until the sun's up. And then another hour before the spiders go to sleep. Actually, probably more like another 3 hours.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, little wolf spider. Don't come after me. Don't eat my ass. 'Cause I don't like to be devoured.
How the hell did my health get slow? Oh, probably from falling. Wow, I'm barely
Yeah.
alive.
Yeah, if you didn't pull out your tuft, then you probably are hurting. So, Rated, where exactly is the point?
You see where I'm at?
Yeah.
It's right here. So come as far.
Well, I just put it towards where we kind of jumped up and kind of angled it that way a little bit.
Okay.
Just need 2 weed stems.
Well, I'm slowly on my way. Leave me alone, bees. Oh, they didn't see me.
Yeah, the one that normally
Honestly-
does is I killed him.
Nice.
You know what? You know what song kind of comes to my mind when I see this game every single time? It's Shakira's song "Wherever." I think that's what the song's called.
Whenever, whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll
We'll be
always be
together.
together. Yeah, exactly. I don't know why. It just does.
Alright, there we go.
Wherever, whenever, we'll always be together. Yeah.
Oh.
Ah, hey, look, there's a rope.
What the heck? Do I have to hold it? Nope.
No,
Gotcha.
it
Hi.
angles so you kind of high. It kind of just hits the floor, so you gotta kind of go
Hi!
to the edge.
Hey!
Everybody that watches that is going to be like, oh shit! They just scissored. Wait a minute.
Hello, good sir.
Alright.
Fancy seeing you on this side of the pond.
Well, we're on the side where there's no pond. So there. Okay, so that guy. Okay.
That's what I call a Ponzi scheme.
That guy's sleeping. There is a ladybird
Yeah,
larva,
oh, ladybird. Yeah, I see that.
and there's a tooth up there. Where's the second one? There's always 2 in here.
He's probably not asleep yet. That's probably where he is.
Oop, there's the ladybirds. Blocked, bitch. Blocked, bitch.
I'm being cooked. I can't take this heat.
Yeah, I still haven't gotten any of the tough junk from these guys.
Everchar. Need to be careful.
Oh, I was going straight to the tooth too. Oh god, he jumped.
Yep. I didn't jump. He was right there in front of me for whatever reason.
Even laggy for me.
Owie, 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 owie.
I don't have Mithridatism on.
Owies. Me neither. I just ran because I was like, nope, I can't deal with this right now. I came back to the rock.
Crazy, you might want to take a
Oh
run.
god!
Not that one, the other one.